Hello everyone, my name is Financial Charles and welcome back to another Bitcoin video. Today is August 31st of 2023 and Bitcoin pretty much just wiped out all of its gains from that little pump that we had a couple days ago. It pumped all the way to $28,000 and now we are right back to this original range where we were at before the pump. We are now at, $26,300. So I wanted to make this video just as a quick video to document that I did buy today. I bought at 26.3 and I will continue to buy more and more. I get another paycheck next week, which is in about 7 days, and I plan to lump sum that one as well. I don't care if it's going up or down. All I care about is getting as many sats as possible for the foreseeable future. I don't see it as how much dollars I can accumulate. It's all about how many Satoshis I can accumulate. So I'm not focused on any altcoins. I'm not focused on any stocks. I'm not focused on SP500. I'll show you guys the how the Bitcoin looks in comparison to the S&P 500. As we already know, what Bitcoin in comparison to the S&P looks like. It looks exactly like the regular Bitcoin USD chart. Over time, Bitcoin gains value over the S&P, and here it's actually a little bit different. You can see that the first peak that Bitcoin had was higher than the second peak that we had. This was the March-April peak, and this was the November-December peak. In regular USD terms, it was the November peak that was higher, but here we could see that it was the originally that first peak from November 2021. That was the highest peak. But yeah, everything is bleeding against Bitcoin over the long term. So that was S&P in relation to Bitcoin. Now this is the BTC gold chart. So gold, it's been used as a store of value for the past 6,000 years. And ever since the inception of Bitcoin, it's been bleeding against it as well. There's also a double top here, a perfect double top. And right now we're just going through the pre-halving motions. As you can see, it is very similar to what we saw in the last cycle. So many people are experiencing we're predicting a bleed down. I'm sorry for the sniffles, but we're preparing for a bleed down, and I'm here to say, even though it's likely that we will continue to bleed down more like we saw here, it doesn't matter how much US dollars you have. In fact, if it bleeds down like here, this is an opportunity to collect more Satoshis for your dollar. And there are only 21 million Bitcoins, 100 million Satoshis in one Bitcoin. So what is that, some quadrillion Satoshis in existence. So each time it goes down, we will just continue to make more videos preaching about how much of an opportunity it is that it continues to bleed. So hopefully here, I hope it goes down more to 20,000, but there's no guarantee that it'll make it down there. Maybe it'll bleed more and more and more, maybe go to 25, 24, and then it'll just continue going up. All I know is I remember here, it was like, March, it dipped down a lot. We were here at the $15,000 range, 16,000, 17,000 for quite some time, and then it rocketed it up, right? And then as soon as it dipped down a little bit here, and then it continued to rocket forward, everyone was so bullish, and it started bleeding down. And I remember the sentiment changed as soon as we dipped down below to the $19,000 range again. We were like, oh man, it's probably going to go back down to the $15,000 range. We got faked out so hard, and then that's when it skyrocketed all the way up to the $30,000 range. So we'll see. All I know is you don't want to be waiting for lower prices, but be prepared for lower prices. Just have some cash reserves on the side so you can continue to buy as it goes down. And each check that you get, just continue to dollar cost average into Bitcoin. Hopefully, we can reach whole coiner status before the next next bull run. But who knows, maybe the bull run has already started with this move here. So yeah, we'll see. Just a quick video today. I didn't want to ramble on too much or make too much nonsense math, because I understand that the math that I did the last video was actually very wrong. But yeah, a quick video today just to document that I did buy today, and I will be buying next week again as well. And alright, and I will see you guys in another video.